This 2020 Hyundai Elantra is brought to you by Twins Chrysler, Dodge Jeep Ram, your neighborhood trusted dealership. This Hyundai is powered by front-wheel drive, automatic transmission, regular unleaded i4 2.0 L122 engine, and has 82,549 miles. Drive away in style. 2020 Hyundai Elantra. Reliable, fuel efficient, and ready for new adventures. Here are some of the features. Visit us today to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Don't forget to follow us to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.